lobby elevator at One Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. And check this out. We have an Otis Lexan. But however, when you get inside, you'll see Series 1 fixtures. It's unfortunate, but true. Let's go, you can't go a basement, let's go a 9, 8. These are Otis Elevonic 411M, I believe, with Series 1 fixtures. Here we are at 8. Let's go. There's a Lexan call station on every floor. I wonder why they kept these. Let's go to ground. Here is your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. There's also a TV screen right here. You can see here that those two elevators go up, only that one goes down. So in the case of the other 3 elevators, you'll see that they only serve 2 through 9. Let's take a ride on this one. And again, it also only goes up to 8. So there's only one elevator of all these that serves the ground floor and basement as well. Here we are at 8. I don't think. Yeah, look at that. That's the only elevator that has Lexan call stations. There's a new Otis Series 1 call station for the other elevators. And here's your cab view. We're stopping at 7. Still, interestingly enough, these are Adams. There's an Otis logo in the door frame. Let's take it for one more ride. Here's your cab view. I was just starting that, and then those two guys came in. Not that I have a problem with that. Of course, people should be allowed to use these elevators. That's what they're intended for. But yeah, I just thought, here's the cab view. Let's go to 2. Here is your inspection certificate. We're stopping at 4. These are the 9 through 17 elevators at One Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. We can't go down, so let's go up. There's a Lexan call station over here. Huh, you actually can call it down. Maybe this one's on a separate controller. So here it is. This one you can apparently go down on. Let's go to ground. Here we are at ground. Okay, that's apparently a mechanical area. I didn't know that. Maybe that's why only one elevator goes down there. So we're going to 17 now. Here we are at 17. But we're on one of these. This one doesn't go down the ground, so let's go to 2. And besides, I probably wouldn't want to go back down the ground anyway, and we're stopping at 14. Not sure if you could see, but the The elevator in the far left, we're stopping at 13, never mind. But what I was gonna say was on floors 13 and 14. Alright, anyway, floors 13 and 14, you can see the newer Otis Series 1 call station over there, older Lexington over there. Alright, we're going back to 17. Here we are at 17. Here is your cab view. I'm going to try to get it quickly in case anyone gets on. Here's your inspection certificate. Hey, we got a non-stop ride. Nice. Now we're going to end it down here. These are the 18 through 28 elevators at the One Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. You can't go down. Let's go up. Actually, wait. There's like another elevator that's like separate from the rest of these. We're not gonna ride that one though. Let's or at least we're not gonna ride it now. We might ride it later in the video. Let's go to 28. This elevator's kind of shaky. Here we are at 28. Let's go at 2. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. It's got a TV screen up there. We're stopping at 25. No, 24. 23 actually. Okay. No one got on, or I just shut the door on them. Going the rest of the way down. So these are Otis Elevonic 411M, I believe. I think let's go check out the other elevator. Yeah, let's see if we can get this one. As you can see, there's like a down call button, but it doesn't do anything because none of these 4 elevators go down. Only this one over here does. And I'm pretty sure it's on like a separate controller. Interestingly enough, this one has a noob rail. All the others have others, although it's not like that in every floor. Let's go to ground. I'm pretty sure it's just a mechanical area, but let's check it out. I mean, like, not actually get out of the elevator, but let's just go down and see. It is. Let's go 28. Here's your inspection certificate. Now let's watch the indicator. Here we are at 28. Let's go to 2. Again, I kind of rushed through it, so we're going to do it again. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Someone's getting on at 24, I think. 23 now. Alright, we're going to go for one more ride. Here are your fixtures. Again, Otis Elevonic 411M. Not sure what year these were installed or modernized. £3,500 capacity. We're going to watch the indicator going down. Hopefully it doesn't stop. Alright, I accidentally cut off the video, so we're going to go down from 23 and watch the indicator. These are the 28 through 38 elevators at One Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. We got this one. Let's go up to 38. Here we are at 38. Here's your cab view. These are Otis Elevonic 411M. Series 1 fixtures. Here's your inspection certificate. Yeah, I think there's some sort of like restaurant on 38, hence the different button. There's also another elevator here that's on a separate controller, and it goes down to the ground floor as well. Here's that one, but here's this one. It still has an original Lexing call station. However, on the inside, it's just normal Series 1 buttons. I mean, newer Series 1 buttons, that is. Let's watch the button go out. Okay, here's 29. So again, here's like a cab view. It's got a TV screen as well, which is pretty interesting. Let's go to, let's see, it says the elevators are monitored 24/7. And we're stopping, I think, 33. The door close button and the phone button are like really close. Here's your inspection certificate. Here are your fixtures. Again, Series 1. There's like a restaurant on 38. I mean, it's the top floor of the building. There's like Adams call stations over here, and also, interestingly enough, the down button actually doesn't do anything. So, with that being said, also here's like all the other elevators. There's one that goes from 3 to 8, one bank. There's like 5 or 6 elevators in each bank. There's a 3 through 8 bank, 9 through 17, 18 through 28, and 28 through 38. Alright, we're gonna end it here. That'll be it.